July 19, 2023. Let's have a video login. We'll do the login of our videos. So let's have a topic like, I called up one of the here in Ontario, Canada. So let's start here. Okay, you know what is this all about? Yeah, that's the same thing here. If you cannot appreciate, that's the one I installed here that is still locking here below. Anti what do you call that one? Child child protection. There are cases when the finger of the or your finger, and most are victims are children. They are caught at this between the hinge, door hinge, like that. So just recently in Europe, London, the friend of my daughter's kid was caught up in this door. Here, another one. The materials is only, well, it's that one. It's bread, the corner of the plastic container of bread. So you just cut the at least 4 inches long, then put some tape here, so the child now is, or your finger will be free from being caught up by these two, the door and the jump. And nandito, oh. So I don't know the name, but it's days old that I installed this anti finger drop or something. This is, yeah, look. Yeah. So there are cases when finger of a small kid is caught up by these two, by this area. Ha? Oh yeah, gini mo ko. See? So let's have an invention, something like a curved one here, and then put screws or something, screw here, but this time it's a duct tape only. So that's the main topic today. And another one is look at this invention, the head of this, that's handle of the bottled water, and that's the end result there. I cut 2 of those, and then it became pulley. And the bottom part of that bottled container, plastic container, I put some cover. That's the cover with mighty band, and it made a pulley to have this kind of technique, gravity method, for the door to open, close. And there's the weight there. See, when the weight goes down, the door closes. When that weight goes up, it opens. Here, look. And there's an island there. Then pulley number 120 mm nylon, the bigger one, so that you will not be changing easily. It lasts almost a lifetime. So anti or child finger protection, I think. Child finger protection. I don't know, but you have to maybe invent your own style, and that's part of protection for our kids' fingers. There's a thick plastic, very thick plastic here, bread container. July 19, 2023. Thank you for watching, and have a lot of inventions. I have a lot of inventions, ideas to make this world a happy place to live in, like paperless passport, paperless transaction, use your iris scan, fingerprints, body scars, body stains like tattoo, and that will be downloaded to the computers and to the highly classified department like customs and or banks, any major department. You don't have to carry your paper ID or paper transport. Just bring your own body, show your face. That's all. Thank you. God bless.